I have a new way of having children log in quickly and easily. I am emailing you this profile, and it looks like this. You can have to download it. Put it on a thumb drive would probably be the best thing, so you can do all your students' computers easily. And you open it. When you open it, you will see this profiles, and you will go to continue. Then install. Enter in your password as you do when you log into your computer or email. And then you'll see it go black momentarily. And now we see the dock on the bottom has changed, and it is user friendly right here. And then you red dot out. Now all your students have to do is click on the earth or the globe, and you should see Chrome bounce. If it's not bouncing, then it is not your default browser, and you need to set it as your default browser. If you do not know how to set Chrome as your default browser, I'll provide a separate lesson on that. Then your children can go directly to STMath or iReady. Now when they go to iReady, for example, you need to type in their credentials, and then it'll ask if you want to save it, and that way it's on that computer saved all the time. So in addition to STMath and iReady, you're going to see kindergarten first, second. I'm going to add bilingual and miscellaneous here at the top. So this is a wonderful gift that we got from the area techs, and it's called Only 2 Clicks. And it works really well. What happens is this dock will show up on all the users, so you only have to install it once to each computer in your classroom. There you go.